right, let's go over your work from part 1. In number 1, D is true. In number 2, we don't know anything about Q and N because knowing that the horseshoe is true leaves us with 3 possible true-false combinations for Q and N, and we don't know which one of those 3 is the case here. Number 3, B is false because the sides have to match anytime a triple bar is true. Number 4, N is unknown because it could be true, it could be false when G is true and make that horseshoe true. So N is unknown. There's nothing to be deduced there. For number 5, though, we know that S has to be false when B is false and the horseshoe is true. For number 6, we know that K and B have to both be true if the dot is true. And number 7, if we know that this wedge is true and A is false, well, then C has to be true in order for that wedge to be true. For number 8, if this triple bar is true, we can't make any deductions about S and E beyond knowing that they're either both true or both false, but we don't know which is the case. For number 9, if we know that the left-hand side of the horseshoe is true and the horseshoe is true, then dadgummit, that R has to be true. And finally, for number 10, if we know that H is true and this wedge is true, we don't know anything about J because J could be either true or false.